Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide SharePoint site navigation via the Change the Look feature. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hiding the SharePoint site navigation via the Change the Look feature can serve several practical purposes depending on the specific needs and structure of your SharePoint site. Alright, so for us to do that, let's go to the navigation menu, which is around here. Alright, now basically, all you're gonna do is hover to the upper right corner where you see the cog icon settings. All you're gonna do is hover down to where it says Change the Look. Alright, now you have an option here on click on theme. It's up to you to choose that and save as you wanted. Go to the header as well. Alright, now here is where you can basically hide the SharePoint site navigation. Click on navigation and slide it to turn off. Alright, you see what's happened here? You would be able to click on the site navigation. Let me just go back to the document again. Now, as you can see, hiding the SharePoint site navigation via the Change the Look feature is very easy and beneficial for enhancing user experience. And of course, customizing site appearance, restricting access, simplifying the overall content management, and ensuring compliance with organizational policies or design requirements. It offers flexibility in tailoring SharePoint sites to meet specific functional and visual needs while optimizing usability and content process. Now, it supports governance practices by ensuring the navigation settings align with the audit requirements and access controls. And again, all you're gonna do is go to the cog icon settings here on the upper right corner. If you haven't already, click on the Change the Look navigation and slide it off and slide it off. Right? It's a very easy and straightforward process. Now, it allows for temporary adjustments to highlight important updates or time-sensitive information on the site homepage or key landing pages, which is very essential, especially during promotional campaigns or events. Hiding navigation can highlight specific content or announcements prominently on the site without distractions from other links. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.